So the Romans used technology to do it on a massive scale. Next in our countdown is an extraordinary food factory. It could be described as Roman fast food. Coming in at number 5. The amazing watermills of Barbegal. This is Barbegal in southern France, near the city of Arles. In the 1940s, experts realized that these strange ruins were the remains of something truly spectacular. A series of watermills producing huge amounts of flour thousands of years before the Industrial Revolution. To this day, there has never been anything else like it.
It's an industrial super factory, and it's Roman.
Watermills were already used in food production, individually. The ancient Chinese had them, and the Greeks too. But mills linked together with something completely new. It was a huge technological leap.
They didn't just have one water wheel, they had 16. This really was the world's first mega factory.
The water flowed through a series of mills, powering each one in turn. Now there's only a drop of 65 feet, but each water mill is going to be receiving 33 gallons of water every second. That's a huge energy output.
Unlike most conventional water wheels, which were powered by the flow of a river at the bottom of the wheel, these were overshot water wheels. The difference being that they were powered by the water dropping on the wheel from above, a much more powerful method. The construction of this new system was a huge technical challenge.
To power these water wheels, the Romans actually diverted a nearby aqueduct. And even more impressively, they cut a channel through the solid rock of a mountainside to create a passage for the water to reach the wheels. Enough flour was made there to produce 9,000 loaves of bread every single day.
That's 4.5 tons of bread daily. This was enough to feed the Roman troops nearby, as well as the recently conquered Gauls and all. If their new citizens were fed and watered, the Romans knew they would be less likely to rebel. As well as grinding flour, the mills could be used for other purposes too, such as powering mechanical saws. Barbegal might well have been the world's first multi-purpose factory. It's been described as the greatest known concentration of mechanical power in the ancient world. This was an industrial revolution 2,000 years ago.